Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We have got a gorgeous piece of Chanel to show you today. All of us at Arm Candy Bag Co are obsessed with this one, I think, and I'm sure you guys will be too. So this is the Chanel C22, named after the year that it was created, so 2022. And I'll talk you through the features. So we've got that classic Chanel leather and chain plaited strap. So we've got double top handles in that leather and chain. And it's in this beautiful, like brushed gold hardware, which is a bit more muted and subtle, which I really like. And then we've got the Chanel logo here on this lovely quilted leather. I'll show you that leather all around. And then inside, you can see we've got press-stud fasten, and that has got that Chanel on either side there of that press-stud fasten. And then inside we've got one zipped pocket here. You can see that pocket still works really nicely. And then on the opposite side you can see just here, so in the newer Chanels, instead of having a serial sticker, we've got this tag here, this metal tag, which has got that Chanel serial code on there. And then inside the bag we also have this little strap attached to the inside of the bag, so you can attach this little removable Chanel pochette as well, which makes a lovely extra little pocket to the bag, or if you wanted to pop it out just like that, and then you've got the option to have it as a sweet little clutch as well, which is really cool. So the condition of this bag is excellent all around. There's no signs of wear or anything like that for me to show you. As I said, it's got that lovely tactile, kind of movable feel to that leather, but it is in beautiful condition. I'll show you those corners so you can see how nice that leather is. And again, that kind of muted gold, brushed gold hardware is in a gorgeous condition. This Chanel tag is really cool. I like this, and that has no scratches or anything like that for me to show you. And then inside, again, a lot of it actually still has its plastic sealing on, so this little press stud has the seal on still, as does the little serial tag as well. So it is in a beautiful, beautiful condition for a very, very cool bag. I'll show you what it comes with. So, as I said before, we've got that little removable Chanel pochette there. And then we've got Chanel ribbon, camellia flower, and then we've also got Chanel card envelope with this little Chanel card in here. And in there, that contains the sales associate card as well. Inside that little card envelope, we also have the Selfridges original receipt. And then we have this big old Chanel envelope. Inside there we've got Chanel dust cloth and Chanel care guide as well. Little care booklet as well, so that's got the instructions to care for that lovely leather in there. And then of course we have the Chanel dust bag and the Chanel box as well. And then that's got the tissue paper inside the box also. So if you wanted to know any exact measurements for this C22, you can go to the link in the description below. So you'll find more details on this bag in the link in the description below. That is the link to shop. It should hopefully take you directly to the Chanel. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we have a request list. You guys love Chanel, so we've got a request list for you to get onto. Just get in contact with us, send us over an email, or you'll find the contact us form on our website as well. Just let us know that you love this, we'll pop you on our request list, and then next time we get in one like it, we will let you know, we'll send you through an alert with the link to shop, and then next time you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I will show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So with those double top handles. It's a great shape, a lovely kind of casual, relaxed shape, and it just sits so easily on your shoulder like that. And I love these leather and chain plaited straps. They sit so comfortably on your shoulder and they just look so cool. It's just a very effortlessly cool bag, very big, very spacey, you can fit a lot in there, but very practical, but still very, very cool. So again, if you wanted more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, have a browse through. If this isn't your thing, we've got loads of other beautiful bags, purses and wallets for you to have a look at. So have a browse through there, like this video and subscribe to our channel as well to keep yourself updated on all the bags that we're getting in. And also sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and then you can use that on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that discount. And also have a look at the how to sell with us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page, so have a read through there, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.